Hello, hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. I make coins into rings, and today we're going to be working on this 1889 Morgan silver dollar. So let's take a look at our coin. We're going to make this a size 11.5 ring today. Hello! And we're just going to crack this sucker open. This is well over 100 years old. If anybody out there is better than math than me, tell me how old that is. 1889. While I work on this today, if anybody wants to check out some of my finished work or my shop, you can tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen. Stay here on TikTok and check out like my YouTube and my shop and website and stuff like that. If you want to check it out a little later, you can take a screenshot of this card right here. It's got my website, coinringmaker.com. It also has a 10% off coupon code. Just use the word welcome at checkout. It'll be 10% off anything you get at the store, and that's good forever. So this is a good thing to take a screenshot of before we get started. If anybody has any questions while I work, feel free to put it in the chat. And yeah, we're going to get started here in just a second. You'll tap the screen if you got some spare fingers. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. 135. That sounds right. Well, this is the coin we're going to be working on today. It's an oldie but a goodie. This is a 90% silver Morgan dollar. This is a real dollar, a real coin. And we're going to make it into a ring. First thing we got to do is punch a hole right in the middle of it. So I'm going to get that set up. While I do that, I'm going to ask y'all to tap the screen a couple times, see if we can get to, I don't know, 100 likes. That would be cool. Now this is a pretty thick and hefty coin. I'm going to try and hammer through it instead of using the press. So wish me luck. Try not to hit my phone. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen. Tap the screen if you're enjoying the live, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Move this a little bit more. Whack my camera. All right, that's pretty good.